loose keycap, some trash, thin, tiny little piece of electric tape. That's all you need. I tried all these other tapes, didn't work. If you just gently, hard to do with one hand, but there, you lay it on top, center it, that should be all you need. Never coming off. It does feel a little spongy sometimes. I accidentally left that one too long, but I'll fix that off camera. But yeah, super basic, don't need anything. And it's not freaking glue like everyone else uses, so don't gotta worry about it, your keycaps getting stuck on your cherries. So yeah, thanks for watching.